everyone, and welcome to Ojo the Crocheting Sailor. I just got this box in today from FURLS. I am so excited to see what's inside of here. Aren't you all? So let's go ahead and open this up right now. Oh, it's another FURLS streamline. So let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what it's going to look like. I'm excited. Whew. Oh, it says, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, wow. Y'all see this? Wow, look at this eye hook. And it looks really, really pearlized. I'm going to go ahead and take this off so you all can really, really see what it looks like. The Jupiter Streamline Galaxy crochet hook. Oh my goodness, look at all of that glitter in there. Now mine is more pearl than some that I've seen, and it has this beautiful, nice caramel color. You all see that? Look at that. Nice, deep caramel color with the glitter. And then if you go right on up the body of the crochet hook, you see all of this glitter and sparkle, and then you see the pearlized look to it. This is really nice. So this is a 5.5 millimeter hook. Just remember, when you all get your hooks, that no two are alike. They will be different. So I'm really excited to add this to my collection. And wouldn't you love to have one of these crochet hooks? And if you would like one, this is what you can do. Two things. If you haven't already purchased one, you could click my affiliate link down below in my description box to go ahead and get one for yourself or anything that's on the FURLS website. They are coming out with some really nice, hot releases. So I want to make you aware of that. Also, they have restocked that Alpha series, the purple hook. So you need to go and check that one out as well. I'll probably put a little picture in here so you can see what it looks like. And this is what I'm going to do for you all today. For those of you that would like to become members of my channel and have not joined my channel memberships, anyone that joins today, and I would say for 24 hours. Now at the start of this was 3:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 24 hours from now, if you go ahead and join my channel memberships right now, I will put you in a drawing to win one of these Jupiter hooks. So if you would like, you could join at the lowest tier if you can afford to. It's $1.99. So if you really think about it, giving you this hook is basically paying you back for the membership if you just joined at the smaller tier. I do have 3 tiers. I do have $4.99. I should say the first tier is $1.99, which is first officer. I have a $4.99, which is boatswain, and I also have the chief engineer. So if you're interested and you would like to go into this drawing to win, go ahead and hit that join button. I will have it in the description box down below, and also I will pin it to the top of the comments. But thank you all so much for looking at my beauty. This beautiful Jupiter Streamline Galaxy hook. And you all know that I am a FURLS girl and a collector. So this is just a work of art. And thank you for tuning in. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.